Hello, mathematicians. Okay, getting out this worksheet. We did this yesterday with Mr. Gallagher, so it should look familiar. Our math thinking for this is the missing addends, but there's also missing sums or missing totals that you have to switch your thinking back and forth when you go through the problems. The first two have missing sums. We've been doing lots of addition work, thinking about adding our addends together to find the sum. So the examples I'm going to do with you today are number 2 and 3 that have those missing addends so that we can get some more practice with that together before you move on by yourself. So getting out this worksheet, writing your name at the top, then you will need some sort of marker or crayon or pencil to write your numerals, as well as purple math symbol, of course. And then we can begin. Okay, actually, since we're working on missing addends, let's also get out our red so that we can do our underline for the missing addends part in our number sentences. Okay. Looking at number 2 first, we see one addend. What's the addend that we are seeing in number 2? Right, the numeral 3. 3 is the addend that we know, so we could think to ourselves, 3 plus or 3 plus missing addend equals 9. Right, let's write that down. We see our first addend, 3. I'm gonna leave this open so it's ready. 3, purple. We're doing addition, so we need a plus, right? 3 plus, and then we don't know the next addend because it's missing, so we'll do our line. 3 plus missing addend equals, what's the sum or our total? Great, 9. Okay, so we're figuring out 3 plus a number equals 9. Okay, 3 plus another number equals 9. Since I have my whiteboard here with me, I'm going to do my dots on my whiteboard. I'm going to do my dots math thinking, so adding or counting up. If it helps you to use your counters like you did with Mr. Gallagher yesterday and me today during your pocket problems, then go ahead and use those. You could use your pocket too. I'm going to take my paper, put it down a little bit. So 3, we know we need to start with the number 3. Let's see, actually I'm going to use my black so that you know that you can see. Starting with our addend that we know, 3, and our sum, 9, right? 9. Okay, so doing my dots, 3, counting up, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I'm going to do my dot in the middle for the 9. So double checking, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, let's count how many dots we did. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Counting backwards, double checking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right. So 6 dots in total, so that must mean that 3 plus what equals 9? Right, 3 plus 6, we just saw 3 plus 6 are 6 dots. 3 plus 6 equals 9. And if you used your counters, you could have had your total of 9 counters. Taking away 3 of them, how many would be left? 6, right? So writing the numeral 6, and you can also write it here in our box to show that we know that the two addends are 6 and 3, right? Okay, so looking at number 2, let's do the other way to write a number sentence. So we started with the addend that we know this time. What do we need to start with for the other number sentence? Right, our total or our sum. So our total we see is 10. Ooh, this makes me think about pocket problems. 10 equals, what's the addend that we know? Right, 9. So 10 equals 9. Our math symbol, plus, and our missing addend. Underline. Okay. Erasing my board. Getting out your paper or your counters, whichever form of math thinking that you're using to solve this problem. I'll use my whiteboard again. So the numeral, the addend that we know is 9, right? And our sum, or our total, is 10. Okay, counting our dots, we know 9, 10. So we just put one dot in the middle. 9, 10. Counting how many dots we made? 1. Nice. So if we were thinking about our pocket problem, we would have 10 pennies in our pocket. We would take out 9, so we'd have 9 in our hand. If we picked up our pocket, how many would be left under the pocket? 1, right. If we take out 9 from 10, there would be 1 left. So, looking at our page, 10 equals 9 plus, what's our missing addend that we're looking for? 1, right. We just figured that out with our dots. My 1 went away. And thinking about our pocket problem as well. So 10 equals 9 plus 1. How else could we say this number problem? You could write it down or we could say it together. Right. 9 plus 1 equals 10. So we now know that 9 plus 1 equals 10. Okay, finishing up with that, doing the ones up here that you know that these are addition problems, so switch your math thinking. We're not finding the missing addend in these, we're finding the missing sum or total. So keep remembering to look at in your boxes so that you know I'm looking for a missing addend or I'm looking for the missing sum. There is also another worksheet in the packet for more practice that looks just like this, same math thinking, but good to have more practice with the missing addends. Okay, everyone, nice work, and I will see you tomorrow, or I'll see you in a little bit for some more worksheets. Bye!